Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to log into Excel on your computer. The last video I made was how to log into Excel on your iPad. So depends on which device you're using, you can refer to each one of the videos. Okay, so the first step you're going to do is to open a browser, so Safari or Chrome or anything. I'm using Safari here, and type xl.com. Okay, and then on the up right corner, you will see username and password. And this is where you're going to use the username and password I provided. So remember a couple of days ago, I sent out an email with an attachment where there's login information for every single student. So you're going to use that. I am going to use Xavier's as an example. So type in the password, username and password. Okay, so once you're in, you can see that there are multiple subjects you can choose from up here. We're going to do math as a practice for now. Okay, after you click on math, you will see grade levels for you to choose from. So you can choose 3rd grade. Okay, so because before we went into distance learning, we were studying fractions. So for today's homework, I would like students to do one section under the W, understand fractions. So you can choose any sections from the 1 to 23, any sections from this part, and just click on it. So for example, if I would like to do number 2, understanding fractions, fractions bars. So I can click on that. And then just keep, they can just start doing it. So because we've done Excel on iPad in class as a center activity for students, so once they're logged in, it should be pretty easy for them to just navigate through Excel. And yeah, that's it. So just complete a section, and that's the homework for today. Thank you.